children. How are you all? I am your computer teacher Chaitra. So I'll be starting with the new chapter, that is softwares and hardwares, part A. So computer system is divided into two things, that is hardware and software. So in part A we are going to learn about hardware, softwares, system. What is system? Then what is application? There are the two types of softwares, that is system software and application software. Then what is operating system and what is Windows 7, desktop and icons. So in part B, we are going to learn about the taskbar, start menu, starting applications, then calculator, sound recorder, Windows Media Player, multitasking and some exercises which is behind your textbook. So shall we start now? Hope you are all fine and healthy and there is no doubt in the first chapter. So if you have any doubts, please you can clarify in the group. So let us start. So computer is an amazing machine. You all know that computer is a machine. So it has different parts that makes work together, is it? So it has different parts. You know the parts of computer. Last class we learned what are the parts of the computer. The basic four parts of the computer are keyboard, mouse, CPU and the monitor. Is it children? Yeah. So it has different parts that makes the work together. So they are classified into two types. Normally they are classified into as hardware and software. Yeah, she is asking here, we need air, water and food to live. Is it? Yes. We human beings need air, water and food to live. Similarly, even the computer needs hardware and software to work. So what is hardware and software? We draw picture in the paint on computer. Is it children? So many of you have drawn, I think so, on the paint. So here paint is a software to draw and mouse is a hardware device to draw. So the mouse, using mouse we are going to draw and mouse is a hardware device. So paint is a software which we can't see, whereas we can keep the mouse in the hand. So let us see what is a hardware. The physical parts of the computer are called as hardware. So the physical parts of the computer are called as hardware. So devices you can see and touch are called as hardware devices. So the devices which you can see it and you can touch is called as hardware devices. So here there are some of the list, that is motherboard, that is your CPU, then microprocessor inside the motherboard, then computer memory RAM, then hard disk drive, CD drive, floppy drive, video card, then monitor, modem, network devices. These are some of the basic parts of the computer, that is hard drive, monitor, keyboard, processor chip, that is microprocessor, mouse, CPU, speakers, CD-ROM, scanner, printer, DVD drive, floppy disk drive, zip drive, microphone, PC camera. Children, you have seen many of the devices, right? So you know what is a monitor. You have seen monitor, you have seen CPU, you also have, I think you have seen speakers, then you have seen keyboard, and these are some of the other external devices. So additional accessories are printers, scanners, UPS and speaker. So here there is some list of the hardware devices. So the physical parts of the computer are called as hardware devices. They are physical here. So we can touch the device and see. So they are called as hardware devices. Next, let us see what is software devices. So in our daily life, we get instructions from teachers and parents to follow, right? Yes. So early from the morning, we get instructions from our mother to do this kind of work. So we follow the instructions as per. So similarly, here also, computer also works on some of the instructions and they are called as commands. So computer also works on instruction. So without instruction, the computer doesn't work. So we have to give the instruction to the computer to do this job, to do that job. Then only the computer will start working. So the group of instructions are called as program. The set of the programs will form a software, a group of instructions. So there are many instructions. They are nothing but the program. Then set of programs will form a software. So what is the program? The spelling is program. What is the spelling of software? software. So a group of instructions are called as program. Set of programs will form a software. So what is a software? Software is a set of instructions given to the computer to do a particular task. So what is instructions? They are nothing but the commands. So you have to do like this, you have to do like that. So they are nothing but the instructions. So we also get instruction in our daily life. Similarly, the computer also requires some instructions to do the particular task. So one nice example I have given you children here. So there is a daily checklist that I think everyone will do. This is AM in the morning and this is in the night. So this daily checklist is nothing like a software. So it has two programs basically. First program is in the morning and the second program is in the evening or in the night. So early in the morning, what you are going to do, children? So you are going to go to the bathroom, then you are going to brush your teeth, wash your face, then make the bed, then get dressed to come to the school, and then you are going to eat breakfast. Then you go take vitamins or tablets, anything, whatever it is. So if you will drink milk and then you're going to come to the school. So what you're going to do in the night, children, you're going to do the homework after going from the school. You're going to read whatever is given in the school. Then you play for some time. Then you put daily clothes in the hanger. That is, then you're going for the washroom. That is, wash your face, brush your teeth, and then you're going to sleep. That is the bedtime. So there are two different programs. So whatever you do in the early morning cannot be the same thing in the night. So this daily checklist is a software. So there are two programs. Hope you are clear about the programs. So these are some of the instructions. You need to be like this only. You need to get dressed nicely. You need to make the bed. After going to the bathroom, you need to make the bed, then only get dressed. So after going to the bath, you're going to not make, you can't eat you can't eat breakfast and then get dressed. So you have to eat breakfast and then you have to get dressed and then eat the breakfast. In the night also, you can't sleep and then go and play. First you have to play and then come and sleep. So there are some of the instructions daily we get in our daily life. Similar, the computers also require some of the instructions or commands to work. So there are some examples: Windows 7, Windows Media Player, WordPad, Paint, game software, etc. are the example of the softwares which cannot be touched. We can just work on it. Getting, children? Yeah, next let us see about software and its types. So software is used for different purposes. So it is classified into normally two types, that is application software and the system software. Check the spellings, children. APPLICATION, then SYSTEM, that is system. Application, APPLICATION, application software, SOFTWARE. Let us see now what is application software. Software that works with the operating system to meet a specific need or perform a specific task. So the software that works with the operating system to do a particular task. So they are nothing but the application software. The examples are given here: MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Microtype Pro, Internet Explorer. So these are some of the examples. Don't scratch your head too much. So they just know the examples. MS Word is nothing but Microsoft Word, MS Excel is Microsoft Excel, MS PowerPoint Microsoft PowerPoint, and the Internet Explorer. These are the application software, the software which works with the operating system to do the particular task. So let us see now what is the system software. Enables the application to interact with the computer and manages the computer internal resources. The system software mainly manages the entire computer. So that is operating system and device drivers. So here MS Word, PowerPoint and Google. Next, see some of the application softwares here. Hope you know this is MS Word window, and this is your calculator. Then this is your paint, children. So hope everyone have done this. Everyone have gone through this paint and worked here and did some drawings. So it is used to perform specific work for the users. Users are we human beings who are going to work on the computer. So play games, draw pictures, write notes, do calculations, watch videos and movies, listen to the music. Play games, draw pictures, write notes, do calculations, watch videos, movies, listen to the music, etc. So some examples are MS Word, MS PowerPoint, calculator, MS Paint, Windows Media Player. So MS Word is a document. So we are going to write the document here. MS PowerPoint, we are going to make the presentation slides. Calculator is used to calculate. MS Paint, we are going to make some drawings and paintings. And Windows Media Player, we are going to hear the music. So for all this, there is one software, that is application software. Next, what is system software? Manages all the activities of the computer, also controls the working of computer. So it manages all the activities including the application software and also controls the working. So without this system software, the computer cannot work. So there should be some system software to make the computer work. So one good example is operating system. So OPERATING SYSTEM. We call it as OS, operating system. So operating system is a good example of system software. Now children, let us see what is operating system. Operating system acts as a mediator between the user, that is us, and the computer, that is machine. So in between the operating system will be there. So we are the users and that is the computer in between the operating system. So what operating system will do? It will take everything from us and it will tell to the computer, you have to do this. So example, DOS, Windows 7, Linux, Mac OS, Mac operating system. So let us learn on the Windows 7. So in this class you are going to learn about Windows 7. So you can see the Windows 7. The main screen looks like this and this is the logo of the Windows 7, Microsoft Windows 7. So Windows 7 is a software which contains all the programs need to choose and work. So it contains all the programs, whatever programs you want, everything is readily available. You need to just choose what you want and then you need to work on it. So can you just see a small pictures on the screen, children? They are nothing but the icons. And this is the desktop screen. So this screen is called as desktop screen. Again I'll tell what is Windows 7 is a software which contains all the programs need to choose and work. Now let us see what is a desktop. So can you just see the image, children, here, figure this desktop. So there is a start button over here. There are some icons and this is the taskbar and this is the background picture. So the background picture of the desktop and this is the start button. So if you have a computer, please go and see the desktop screen, children. So this is the desktop screen. It has a taskbar, it has a background and these are the small pictures. They are nothing but the icons. So desktop is a home screen of the operating system. So whenever the operating system comes, immediately we are going to find the desktop. So desktop contains the background picture, icons, start button and the taskbar. So you can just tell with me or spell with me what is desktop spelling. DESKTOP, that is desktop. So what is icons? ICONS, icons. So what is start button? STARTBUTTON, that is here start button. Then what is taskbar? TASKBAR, this is the taskbar. Whatever you are seeing in the gray color, that is nothing but the taskbar. So let us see now what are the icons. So if you are clear with the desktop, we will see what are the icons. Can you just see the icons here? So this is my computer icon, this is recycle bin, this is the paint, this is a file and this is the folder. So icons are the small pictures on the desktop. So they are nothing but these are the icons. An icon represent application program. Is it? So it is application program which combines with the operating system to do some particular task. So the icon represent the application program, document or a picture. It can be a document or it can be a picture or an image. To open the icon, to see what is there inside the icon, just you need to double click in the mouse using the left button. So you're going to do the double click and open and see what is there in the icons. So what again I'll just tell you what is desktop. Is the home screen of the operating system, and what are the icons? They are the small pictures on the desktop. So all other things will continue in the part B. So here one activity I have given. Identify the following in the table and put the tick mark. So they have given here, first one is monitor, second one is operating system, mouse, printer, then user interface, word processor, keyboard, then desktop publisher, then microphone. You need to put the tick whether it's a hardware or a software. This is the activity to identify about the hardware and the software. Very a small activity. So please do it, children. So thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe and healthy. So we'll continue the rest of the things with the part B. Thank you.